Let's learn, create, and explore together in the Curious Explorers Club.
Let's draw together. Easy step-by-step drawing for kids with Coco the Panda. Hi there, Curious Explorers. Welcome back to the Curious Explorers Club. I'm Coco the Panda, and today we have a super fun activity planned. We're going to learn how to draw a tulip. That's right, we're going to draw a beautiful tulip. This tulip will be super cute and a lot of fun to draw. So, let's get started. Materials. Here are the materials that you will need. First, you will need a black marker for outlines. And then you will also need some markers for coloring. Feel free to use crayons, watercolor, pastels, or other color pencils as another option. And of course, you will need some paper to draw on. And that's it. Let's get to some drawing. Yay! For the drawing today, I'm going to get some help from my friend Sarah. Thank you, Sarah. First, let's get our piece of paper ready. We will start by drawing bulb of the tulip. Let's start by drawing some round curvy line on the top of the flower. Next, let's draw a half circle to connect the two sides. Now we have the bulb of the flower. Let's draw in the stems for the flower next. Next, let's draw 2 leaves at the end of the stem. You can draw more than 2 leaves if you like. Let's draw some eyes for our flower friend. You can choose to draw larger eyes if you like. Isn't it so cute already? You can also change the facial expressions for the flower too. Maybe it can be really happy and then maybe very surprised. This flower is looking a little bit lonely, so I'm going to draw in some bee friends for it. For the bees, I like to start with an oval and then add stripes to it with my black marker. Don't forget to draw in the wings and a stinger for your bee too. You can choose to draw one bee smaller than the other as well. Now that we've finished the outline, I think we are ready to color. Doesn't it look fantastic already? Let's start by coloring in our flower. Feel free to change up the flower's color and use other colors besides yellow, maybe pink or rainbow. Let's not forget to color in the stems and the leaf. Wow, look at our amazing little tulip friend. You all did a fantastic job. It looks so cute. If you like, you can also add some background, such as other flowers. Maybe some roses or sunflowers. Use your imagination and have fun with the drawing. Here is the finished drawing of the little tulip and bee friends. It is so adorable. Here is a closer look at the drawing. If you are interested in bees, I have a whole separate video learning all about bees on the channel. Drawing can be so much fun, especially when we do it together. You all did a fantastic job. Thanks for drawing with me today. Remember, your art will get better with practice, so keep drawing and trying new things. You may want to try this drawing again using different colors or adding different faces and expressions to your character. Use your imagination and have fun with your drawing. See you next time, and keep exploring and creating.